Hello, in this video we're going to look at calculating a person's reservation wage. The reservation wage is the highest wage in which a person is indifferent between working and not working. A person will work if the market wage exceeds his or her reservation wage. A person will not work if the market wage is less than his or her reservation wage. The reservation wage is solved by evaluating the marginal rate of substitution at the values of leisure and consumption if the person is not working. Sometimes this is called the endowment point. So the marginal rate of substitution is the marginal utility of leisure divided by the marginal utility of consumption. So let's do a problem. Here is a person's utility function. C is dollars of consumption, L is hours of leisure. There are 24 hours in the day to allocate between work and leisure, and this person has non-labor income of $100. We'll get the marginal utility of leisure, taking the partial derivative of the utility function with respect to leisure. So this exponent on the L term comes down in front, and then this exponent on the L term, we're going to do 0.8 minus 1 to get L raised to the minus 0.2 power. Next, we'll get the marginal utility of consumption, partial derivative of the utility function with respect to consumption. Bring down this exponent on the C term, bring down that in front, and then 0.2 minus 1 here in the exponent leaves C raised to the minus 0.8 power. Forming the marginal rate of substitution equation, making our substitutions, and then simplifying. 0.8 divided by 0.2 is 4. We have this C raised to the minus 0.8. We'll bring that up into the numerator. So in the numerator, we'll have C raised to the 0.2 times C raised to the 0.8. That is just C. And we'll do a similar thing with this L term. This L to the minus 0.2, we'll move that down into the denominator. So in the denominator, we'll have L raised to the 0.8 times L raised to the 0.2. And just adding up the, adding up the exponents, we'll just get L. The next step is to take that marginal rate of substitution and evaluate it at the endowment point. So when this person is not working, their total level of consumption just equals their non-labor income. So C is 100. And when this person is not working, the maximum leisure this person gets is 24 hours. So plugging those values into the marginal rate of substitution and simplifying, we have the reservation wage of $16.67. If this person was able to get $20 in the market, this person would work. The market wage exceeds the reservation wage. On the other hand, if this person's wage in the market would be less than $16.67, this person would choose not to work. One other thing to note, if non-labor income increases, so if C were to become a bigger value because this person has more non-labor income, the reservation wage would rise as well. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful.